Hello fellow humans and face recognition enthusiasts. Today, we are delving into a perplexing world of Face ID technology and its uncanny ability to betray us when we least expect it. Picture this, you wake up one morning, ready to conquer the day, only to find that your trusted Face ID is suddenly playing hide and seek with your face. It's as if your phone has decided to join a secret society that conspires against you, conspiring to keep you locked out of your own device. The question on everyone's mind, why? Why, mighty Face ID gods, have you forsaken us in our time of need? Perhaps it's a secret rebellion against the tyranny of perfect selfies. Maybe your Face ID got the wind of your latest #NoFilter masterpiece and decided to throw a curveball, reminding you that you are not as flawless as your front camera suggests. Or could it be that your Face ID has developed a quirky sense of humor, finding endless amusement in the confusion it leaves in its wake? Or, let's face it, maybe it's just having a bad face day. We've all been there, right? Sometimes our faces just decided to take a spontaneous vacation, leaving us to fend for ourselves in the realm of PIN codes and password guessing. It's like a digital game of peekaboo with your phone gleefully shouting, "Gotcha!" each time you fail to unlock it. But fear not, brave souls. In this era of technology wonders, we are armed with solutions. You could try the classic turn it off and on again method, hoping that your Face ID will rediscover its purpose in life. Alternatively, you might consider giving your face a makeover. New glasses, a funky hat, or even a fake mustache could be just the thing to shock your Face ID back to reality. Remember my friends, when Face ID fails, don't take it too seriously. Sometimes technology simply needs a little nudge to remind it who's boss. So, embrace the mystery, embrace the quirkiness, and above all, embrace the joy of using your PIN code once in a while. It's like taking a nostalgic trip down memory lane to the simpler days when your face didn't hold all the keys to your digital kingdom. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.